Hey guys, this is Candy coming to you with another video, and for today's video it is another, and this seems as if it's becoming like a lock series, my faux locks series, because I've showed you guys how I install them, how I wash them, how I moisturize my hair with them, and now I'm gonna show you how I'm trying to salvage them. These braids have been in for like 7 weeks, you guys, and they're beginning to look disheveled, and so I'm trying to come up with a style that will make them look nice and neat and well groomed again. So what I'm gonna be doing is showing you guys how I flat twist my hair, and I'm using my favorite edge control, the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges, the argan oil edge control, and I'm just using that to mold and sleek down the front portion of my hair before I start to style. Alright, so this is typically a flat twist. However, I'm using a technique that is way easier than flat twisting. I'm just pretty much rolling the hair, you guys. Flat twisting usually involves separating the hair in two pieces and then twisting it down on the scalp, if you understand what I mean. But I'm just pretty much rolling instead of twisting. So you guys will see in subsequent twists what I actually mean. But now I'm securing that twist with a elastic band just to make sure it stays secured and in place and not loosen. Alright, and then I kind of pull each side away from each other just to tighten the flat twist a little bit more. And now I'm moving on to the other row, and I'm going actually row by row, getting a little bit more of the edge control, sleeking down the front just to make it look nice and neat. And I start by, you guys see the motion of my hands, I'm pretty much just rolling. I would call this flat rolling instead of flat twisting, but it's easy, very simple, and yeah, not time consuming at all. Alright, so now I'm taking again one of those small elastic bands and just using it to secure the locks so that it remains in place and the hair don't loosen. Okay dokie, so I went ahead and did a couple more rows, and now I'm pretty much at the halfway mark, and I'm just repeating the process again. Pretty much it's the same thing that I'm doing repeatedly. Yeah, but one thing I wanted to point out to you guys is that I have been twisting all of the hair in the same direction. So all these rows have the hair twisted in the same direction from the right to the left, and that is just my choice. You do not have to do it that way. You can always go ahead and do some in one direction and do the others in another direction, but for my case I just prefer to do it that way, just for the uniformity of the hair and for the consistency. So that's just a personal choice. You can do it however you like. So I'm going ahead now again and securing this particular flat twist with the elastic band. And just another heads up for you guys, be sure that you do not do these twists too tight, or you don't secure the elastic band too tightly, because it is so annoying to spend all of this time doing your hair, and at the end of the day you're not able to either keep in the style or enjoy wearing the style, because it's so uncomfortable and it's actually pulling probably too tightly on your hair follicles, and that will ultimately cause damage. So we don't want that. So ensure that you make it look nice and neat, but not overly tight, because it will defeat the whole purpose of wearing a protective style if you're going to be damaging your hair in the process. Alright, so we're on the very last row, and pretty much that is all that the style entails. For the most part, I'm just flat twisting the entire front section of the hair row by row as the hair is naturally parted. And then with the back of it, you can get creative. If you stick to the end of the video, you will see pretty much what I did, but the back is up to you. You can, the sky's the limit in terms of styling the back part of your hair, but I just wanted to show or showcase or feature how I flat twist the front of my hair just to restore it and let it look a little bit wearable for a longer period of time when the style has been worn out. Yeah, I'm pretty much all done, you guys, and this is exactly what the back of the hair is looking like. I went ahead and just pretty much put a couple of pins, in the hair to keep it secured, and put everything over to one side. And yeah, I went ahead and did my makeup, got dressed, and I'm ready to hit these streets, you guys. Yeah, right, I ain't going no place, but I just went ahead and put together this look just to see how the hair would work with a nice dressed up look. And yeah, this is pretty much the hairdo, you guys. And I wanted to just say thank you guys. If you are a oldie but goodie, if you've been there from day one, I want to thank you guys for sticking and stay with me. If you guys are new subscribers, I see you, boo. Thank you guys for subscribing. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post twice per week, and so you do not want to miss those videos. Once again, thank you guys for choosing Natural Hair Dynamics. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, and tell a friend about my channel. And remember to be safe, walk good, and bless you.